I welcome everyone to my channel. And again, stories from life. A novel that will change your life. Martha Shields' right pointing arrow, hope for happiness. I was busy. What exactly? He did not want to tell her, for the time being. You crashed the car, didn't you? It will take a lot of time to repair. Her chin lifted slightly. Yes, but it so happened that I had an extra car, and I thought it would suit you. That's why he sent it. Jake produced a bouquet from behind his back and handed it to Claire. It is for you. Claire ignored his gesture. This is your car? How many do you have? This is Alan's car. A little bright, but that was Alan's taste. Claire gasped. So this is Alan Townsend's car? And you give it to me? They didn't have time to bury him yet, but you. Not very tactful of me, is it? He raised one eyebrow. But Alan doesn't need her anymore. And how about you? That's all. Consider it a friendly gift. Right now it was very important to him that Claire take the car. This will be the first step. Perhaps someday she will accept him. I can't accept a car from you, especially one like this. One insurance will ruin me. Then consider that I lent it to you. You can use it until yours is repaired. Don't worry, the insurance is paid until the end of the year. Claire stared silently at the flowers, long-stemmed pink roses wrapped in green paper. No, the anger that had accumulated in her since morning, after fruitless attempts to find him by phone, had not yet disappeared. But, damn it, this Mr. Anderson knew how to be so charming. It never occurred to her that a man like him could remember a small thing like her broken car. So you can ride it with complete peace of mind. Anyway, otherwise it will stand in the garage and wait until I find a buyer. His voice was calm and even, but the whitened knuckles, clutching the bouquet in a death grip, betrayed excitement. What's the matter? Why does he care so much whether she will accept the car or not? Maybe his words that he had no friends left are true? Yes, Claire had heard that there, at the very top. People were very lonely, but she couldn't help feeling that he needed something more than just friendship, and this completely crossed out all her ideas about a business partnership. On the other hand, if she wants a job, you need to be polite to him. Why is it so difficult to keep this thought in mind? If she doesn't get that job, or one that pays just as well, she won't have enough money to get pregnant. So you have to hide your pride away. A lot can be sacrificed for the sake of a child. Great. Let's assume that you gave it to me for a while. Thank you. Claire held out her hand for the roses. I'm sorry I took it that way. I thought, well, I don't even know what I thought. What am I trying to seduce you? He said with a slight smile. Claire smiled in response. Not really. I don't know how rich men usually act. But a jaguar at the door the day after they met is a little too much even for a millionaire. Oh, we act about the same as everyone else. Candlelight dinner, compliments, flowers. She glanced quickly at the bouquet, then looked up again. Is this a joke or a warning? I think it's both. Claire turned abruptly and walked into the kitchen. We have to put them in the water. Jake followed. You'd better get changed quickly. We need to be there in half an hour. Claire filled the vase with water, glad not to make eye contact with him. Unfortunately, I have nothing to wear. I've been so busy looking for you that I haven't had time to go shopping. Ride without me. Jake took the bouquet from her hand and placed it in the vase. To be continued. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell to nothing don't miss.